Alright, let us see this question now. That is, the electronic configuration of an element is 2, 8 and 4. So state its group and period in the modern periodic table. Now this is a very easy question. That is, we have X and this is 284. 284. That means the period number is 3. Alright, period number is 3, and since the last number of valence electrons is 4, so group number is 14 group number is 18 minus 4, that is 14. Group number is 18 minus 4, that is 14. Alright, so up to first two groups, we have 1 and 2 groups. They conform to the valence electrons. Group number is equal to the valence electron, and then after that you have 18 minus the valence electron. This conforms to the group number. So 18 minus the valence electron, group number is 14 and period number is 3. Name and write its one physical property. Now this element, what element it is? It is 10 plus 4, 14. Alright, so that is, it is 14. 14 is which element we have 14? So this is silicon, this is 14. So name and write its one physical property. Silicon, this is a metalloid. Its halides, this will form compounds with hydrogen such as Si. Its valency is 4, so this will form SiH4 compound. It will form, its valency is 4. Name and write its one physical property. Okay, so this is a metalloid. Coming to next question. Sodium, magnesium and aluminium are the elements of third period of modern periodic table, having group number 1 to 13 respectively. Which one of these elements has highest valency? Sodium, magnesium and aluminium. So sodium, we know that sodium has got atomic number 11 and magnesium has got atomic number 12. Aluminium has got atomic number 13. So sodium, the configuration will be 2, 8 and 1. Magnesium, the configuration will be 2, 8 and 2. Aluminium, it will be 2, 8 and 3. So 1, 2 and 13 respectively, they are in group number. Which one of these elements has highest valency? So highest valency will be that of aluminium. Then largest atomic radius. Along the period, what happens? They are all in the same period. Third period they are. 3 shells means third period they are. And along the period, each time the electron is entering the same shell, so the size is reducing. So largest atomic radius will be that of sodium. Sodium will have largest atomic radius. This will have highest valency. Largest atomic radius. And third is maximum chemical reactivity. Maximum reactivity will be that of sodium. Maximum reactivity. Sodium is highly reactive. Justify your answer stating the reason for each. So Valency, you were already showing that this is having the valency 3, largest atomic radius along the period, atomic radius decreases. Along the period, atomic radius decreases. So sodium is having maximum atomic radius. Alright, and maximum reactivity, because this will lose one electron, it will lose very easily. So this is highly reactive, and to lose 3 electrons, it will require more energy. Similarly, to lose 2 electrons, again it will require more energy. This will require least energy, so this is highly reactive. Okay, coming to the next question. What is periodicity in the properties of elements with reference to modern periodic table? Why do all elements of the same group have similar properties? Let us see what is periodicity. What is periodicity exactly? See, what happens is when a pendulum is moved, alright, when a pendulum is moved, what happens? This will move from its position, this will go up to one fixed position, and this will again come back in its own position. So this completes one period. That is, the same position is again repeated, same conditions are again repeated. The same thing happens over here also. What is periodicity? Periodicity is the change in properties. For example, atomic radius or electropositive character, etc. Change in properties, electron character, etc. And repeat कर दो, नहीं आ रहा sentence नहीं आ रहा.